All right, let's do it. What's up, y'all? What's up? New week. So last week was pretty fire. Another phenomenal week, flawless week. We were able to get off on EURUSD, and we made some money on that one nicely. So this is a trade that I dropped in the free Telegram chat room, which the link is down below. Zero drawdown, straight impulse towards the upside. We got in literally here. And it just shot up and never turned back. So another winning trade, another profitable week. We are now almost on 3 months of no losing. How many traders on YouTube have went 3 months without losing a trade? And I'm dropping this every single week right in front of y'all, letting y'all take the trades with me, follow me, and just kill the markets and make money with me. There's not too many traders on YouTube that's doing that. So last week, another beautiful week. This week, we're going to make it another profitable week. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive on in. All right. So we will start off with the DXY. So last week, we were looking at a bullish DXY. And we did get a bullish DXY, as y'all can see. This week, we are still going to be looking for a bullish DXY. I'm looking at a slight retracement. So there's two things I think will happen on the DXY this week. So if I'm going to take the trade, it has to be in this range, and then I'm going to be taking it up into this range. Now, that will change if we go up first into this area and then drop. There is a key high, which is right here, which there's liquidity resting right here, and this is a key monthly FVG. So we could go strike the liquidity and then make a retracement. Now, I don't expect it to be a crazy deep retracement. Like, it's not going to take this low. So this is where we would love to get into the market right here. So we're just going to look for a slight retracement. Now, if we drop down first before going up to hit this zone, then I'm going to be buying this up into this zone because it's still going to react out of this zone. So if it does not go to the zone, like push up and do this, then it'll do this. And then we'll get a reaction here, potentially a little bit deeper before continuing up long term. If we go up first and then drop, then I'm still going to be looking for price action to make a movement out of this area back towards the upside. But I want to reevaluate price action if it does do that to make sure that everything is still in line. So I'll keep y'all updated on that. Again, make sure y'all are in the free Telegram chat room. The link is down below in the description and in the comments. That's where I will keep y'all updated on these trades as they move. All right, next thing that we're going to be looking at is EURUSD this week. So, as y'all know, I specialize in the DXY. We've been trading these pairs all year long, every single movement all year long. The whole drop, push up, the whole drop back down. We take every single move. So, EURUSD, last week we were looking at a drop. We sold this entire thing down each week. We literally capitalized on EURUSD. And now we're looking for another retracement to capitalize on another movement towards the downside. So same thing as the DXY. If we go down first to sweep this low, then I'm going to still be looking for a push up into this range and then a decline back down. If we push up first, then I'm going to be looking to take this down to a sweep of this low. So either or, I'm going to be looking to sell EURUSD. I'm not looking to buy this. I would not be trying to buy in a full-on bear. We're on the daily time frames. This is a full-on bearish market, and we're breaking structural lows continuously. So I would not be trying to buy this. I'm only focused on the selling with the trend. Okay, so only interested in sales. DXY, I'm not trying to sell this. I'm only interested in buys. Okay, so that's that. Our next pair that we're going to be looking at this week is going to be GBPUSD. And so for GBPUSD, we will be looking at a retracement into this range and then a continuation down. Okay, so on GU, this one does look really clean compared to EU, I would say. So this one might be a little bit more easier to move with. So retracement into this range and then the continuation down. As the market gets closer towards these areas, I will let y'all know in the free Telegram chat room when I do get active on these trades and where I am looking at invalidation points. For GU, invalidation is going to be in this range. and we are going to be targeting this low. For those of y'all that are interested, our website is down below where you can find more information on our mentoring package. Again, probably one of the best mentoring packages out there in general. I mean, clearly it works. We've barely lost this year. I've been using the same exact strategy over and over and over and over right in front of y'all. It's also a lifetime package, so you pay once, you get lifetime updates. Every time I learn something new, I update it, and you guys are able to learn with me. So you get a lot with our mentoring package. A lifetime access to the FXK locker room where I post all of my personal trades. And also next month on the 20th of July, it's been years since I've done this, but I am going to be reopening the Signals group. So for those of y'all that love entry, stop loss, TP, you want that from a professional trader, someone who's experienced, consistent, and is actually going to help y'all make money. I'm going to be opening that back up for y'all on July 20th. So save the date. The information is on our website. Again, which you can find down below in the description. But January 20th, I am going to be reopening that for y'all. And I promise y'all, we are about to go insane when it comes to making money in this Signals group. You guys already have seen what we do on YouTube, what we do in our free Telegram group, what we do in our mentoring chat room. I'm about to take it up just a little bit more, take it up a notch when I drop this Signals group, just because it's been years. I know this is what y'all are waiting on. So I got y'all. I'm going to give the people exactly what they want. So GU retracement into this range, continuation down this week. Last thing that I'll be looking at is going to be US, and we're going to be looking at a retracement this week and then a continuation towards the upside. This is where I'm looking at getting into the market. Again, I will keep y'all updated as price action moves down into this range. I am going to be looking at a little bit more confirmation on USDCHF before I enter this one. I'm okay with putting a pending on GU or even EURUSD, but with USDCHF, I just want to wait to get a little bit more confirmation once it enters this range before I look to capitalize on this pair. Also, for those of y'all that are new to our YouTube, welcome. My name is DeAndre. I've been trading for 11 years, going on 12 years. I also give out free mentoring packages every 4 weeks. Just drop a comment down below in the description, anything, and then that will enter you for the next mentoring giveaway, which is in 1 week. So in 1 week, we will be announcing the next winner of the free mentoring package giveaway, and I will be choosing the winner from the comments. Other than that, man, that's pretty much what we're looking at this week. I know last week, again, EURUSD, we smacked it. USD finished up last week. Beautiful. All of our trades, man, have just been going insane all year long. We have just been killing the markets, and not even just Forex. We've been killing Bitcoin. I've slaughtered Bitcoin all year long. Y'all, I called this whole entire sell down on Bitcoin, and I did it live on YouTube. The entire sell down. I called this sell. We called this sell. I even told y'all that this was going to push up into this range and then drop back down. We came a little bit short, bro, and then drop back down. I'm slaughtering the markets, y'all. I'm just not getting it wrong. So cheers to that. Not to say I can't get it wrong, but we are just on fire right now. So we're going to keep riding this wave. So I hope y'all have been making money with me. I hope y'all have been riding these waves with me. Outside of that, let's have another profitable week. And I will catch you guys in the chat room and on the next YouTube drop. Y'all have a safe trading week. Trade smart. And I will keep y'all updated. Peace.